Hi there, it's Jasper from Cirmar, and in this short video I will walk you through the basics of creating a C passport. In this example, we'll be creating a C passport for a wooden table as an end product, rather than a product or component. So that's what we're going to do in step 1. Step 2 is about basic information, so we're going to fill in that it's a wooden table, and I've prepared a little description to go with that. The next thing to do is select its weight source. Now, we cannot use the weight entered from a lower assembly level because, like I said, this is an end product and we haven't created any product passports or component passports, so we'll have to enter the weight right here. Let's say it's 25 kilograms for one item, which we select right here, and its length is 2 meters, its width is 1 meter, and its height is 80 centimeters. Its defined use period in years is 15. We could upload an MSDS right here, but we are not going to do so right now. Just know that it's possible. And its next use application will be wooden table because its end of use treatment, which is the next thing to fill in, is not incineration, it's not refurbishment, it's recycling. The next thing we can fill in is encodings. They can either be for internal use or for external use, and I'm just going to make a few up on the spot right there. And step 3 is about materials. We have to lay out the composition of our item, and we do so first in terms of dominant material groups. We do not use the materials selected from a lower assembly level. Like we said, they don't exist at the moment. So we are going to select biogenics right here and some metals. Now, first off, the biogenics. Let's say that in terms of weight, 80% of the table is made of wood, which is what we select right here, regular wood, and 100% of the biogenic material is wood. Same thing goes for metals. Like we said, 80% is biogenic material, so that's 20% left. And we are going to add ferrum that's recycled. And 100% of the metals in this product are recycled ferrum. Now, if there is any social return on investment impact, you can add it right here. So let's say 15 minutes. And then we can select the impact source. Now, you can let the system calculate the impact values based on the materials and weights that we've already filled in this C passport, which is what we are going to do. But know that you could also fill in your own impact figures. The advantage of letting this system calculate the impacts is not only that you don't have to do double work, but if you change the composition of the materials, if you change, for instance, the wood to recycled wood, it will automatically update those figures and the derived emissions from those figures in C Passport. So that's what we are going to do right here. And then we can select up to a maximum of 4 social development goals of the United Nations. And I will do so randomly right there. Last but not least, we have the ability to add some extra information. So for instance, an image of the component. I have one right here, a wooden table. And we can add some documents, for instance, on reverse logistics, or maybe on disassembly. How do I disassemble the table to make sure that it can be recycled? And we can describe its next use application or add any appendices if relevant. Last but not least, we can connect C Passport, but we only do so if we want to connect several underlying layers of passports, so components or product passports, into an end product passport. But we are making an end product passport from scratch right here, so we don't have to do so. We save C Passport, and then we have the end result, showing all of the stuff we just filled in.